Hey guys, welcome back to our first video. Well, welcome to our first video. Anyway, so, it's me and my brother, Gunner, and Wesley, and, of course, probably you've seen both of our YouTube channels, Gunner Wolf and then Wesley Wolf, but together, we're gonna make Wolf Brothers. Instead of making two separate, we're gonna be together. And anyway, so today we're gonna do a first video on, welding, and, yeah, so, we're gonna get all ready and we're gonna turn everything on and we'll see you in a minute.
We're all ready and ready to go. Heard of you last night. I made this. I'm not sure what it was, what it is. I welded it all together. It's kind of a round part on it. Sticks into the gap like this, and not sure what it really does, but anyway, we're gonna start welding this right here. Around here because we've been welding on this for a very long time. And we're gonna take turns. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go first, and let's get started. Let's go. I made a little weld right about right there, so you can see. And I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it a couple more times, and I'll let my brother do it. And here we go. Here we go. See, I just did that one right in there, and yeah. So I'm gonna let my brother start welding now, and well, here we go. Guys, I am ready to weld now. My brother just got done welding, so it's my turn to weld. I just made this right there. It's not too good. I'm just starting to weld again. Okay, this time I'm gonna put a hood over the camera and make it where hopefully you can see the weld better. Okay. Well, here we go. I just made that, but that's really hot to thread. And now he's gonna start welding right there, right over mine. Here? No, right there. Okay, and here he goes. Leave a comment. Remember, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment. See if you like welding and whatever you want us to do. Just let us know and we'll do it. And tell us if it's better with the hood or without the hood. Whatever. We don't know. We don't know at all. We don't know which one you guys like better. And if you don't know what welding is, it's just combining two metals together. Practically, that's it. Yeah, and we're just practicing. But anyway, we're gonna get right back into this, and here we go. we go. Let's go. I just made this right there. You just welded that. Not the best, but I've tried my best.
Anyway,
This is probably the best one that I've done so far.
we're the best ones, actually going up and down, slowing down. Hey Gunner, I want you to see that big long strip right there?
This one?
Yep, that one right there. I want you to weld on that, up and down, tie it in.
Go down. You want me to fill this in too?
He's still learning, but
You want me to fill this circle in?
no.
No, just do that. Oh, here we go.
Hold on. Get this on. Ugh. Ready?
Ready? Go.
Not letting any? There it is. Let me cut that a little too long. Hey guys, sorry about that. Some random person from Amacardo or Albuquerque, I can't remember. But just called us in the middle of that. But this is what he did right there. And we're just gonna end the video here. And if you want more, leave a like and
Comment down below and leave a like.
Subscribe and yeah, we'll do anything from guitar to welding to climbing trees and then jumping off to who lands first. Well, we'll do about anything. And you guys have a nice day and see you in the next video.